Hi everyone, today I have a blanket project here. So this is made with our Merino number 5. Merino number 5 is 100% merino wool. This is a super chunky thick yarn and it's very soft. So merino wool is known for its softness and the warmth, and it's very light compared to regular wool. So we have various size, and this is baby blanket. We have a children's and lap blanket and big blanket for a couch or a bed. So this will be a great project for beginners because it's very simple stitch. It's called 2x2 rib, which means 2 knit 2 purl. If you wanna learn how to do this pattern, we have a video tutorial from beginning to end. You can learn from watching the video. So this is great project for beginner. This is baby blanket, like I said. It is gonna be a great gift for a newborn baby or a child. So this is a little bigger size. This will be a good for children. And we also have a lap blanket like this. This is a good size for when you're watching movies on a couch and a sofa. This color is cafe cornette. This color is also very pretty. But also we have a really big blanket. This is be a great for a bed, the end of the bed, or 2 people on the couch for lovebirds, watching video, movies. And so this is a great project for a beginner or experienced knitter who is looking for a fast project. This can be a good project for a weekend. It only takes a few hours depending on your skill level. But this is so easy to make one. I have a Loopy here making some noise. But this is such a beautiful blanket that easy pattern. Hope you like it.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.